Well, here's going to be my next bowl. Just a little over 6 inches wide. And the top piece here, you see here is poplar. And I have two, I don't know, 1/4 inch pieces of oak glued to the bottom. So this is going to be a bowl. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, but it should be okay. Okay, now my board was 1.22 inches thick, and I wanted my walls to be 5/8 wide, each ring. And if you use that angle calculator that you could get from Scrollmania, I've posted it a few times now. That would give me a 27.1 degree angle, and that's the one that you see right there. So I just cut my first hello. So I just cut my first not ring out, but at least the outside, and I'll use this board as a template for my angle, so I could drill my pilot hole for my bit. And because this was such a small board, only 6 inches, and it was really thick, I could only cut 2 rings out. And because if I went any more, it would be a cone, and it wouldn't have a bottom. But here's my clamp, and there's my 2 halves, or my 2 rings right there. And I'll show you the finished product. Well, the bowl's all sanded, and I'm going to use this Watco Natural Finish Danish oil on this bowl. So I'll post a picture after this. Okay, I just oiled it. It only took me about a minute, but I hope you can see the difference. That oil, it really brings out the wood fibers and all. I mean, it makes it look like a deeper color. And you can really see it in that oak.